Elisa, what just happened?
We just spent a shit ton of money.
We just bought last minute tickets to night 2 of Santa Clara.
And where are we sitting?
That's right by the stage, 7 rows up from the floor. Mary is on the floor.
She's all the way in the back.
She's all the way in the back, and then Melissa is like on the opposite side. The 2 of us were the only ones able to get tickets together.
Thanks so much.
We're gonna see Taylor.
We're gonna die.
We see Taylor in what, like 20 minutes? And we're wearing we have matching outfits.
Yeah.
We're wearing our Reputation crop tops.
And we have like,
and we have blue jeans and our jean jackets we got yesterday.
Yes.
We're about to see 2 nights in a row.
So close.
And then we fly home tomorrow, so like good luck. And we have our bracelets. They didn't have this.
Yeah, they didn't have.
So this is happening. I need to take this jacket off because I'm sweating. Elisa, how do we feel after night 2 of Santa Clara? that's how we feel. She just almost tripped, but
I don't have a voice anymore.
We're gonna be dead.
But
we have to fly home tomorrow.
We have to fly home tomorrow. That was the best impulse decision ever.
We were so freaking close.
Oh my god, we were so close.
And we met 2 fans afterwards, because everyone in our section was boring.
They looked like they were 10 years old.
And they like sat down, but like we found 2 fans that like thanked us for dancing and being crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, they came up to us after.
They were like,
just like, thank you for also like being crazy and
because like the woman next to me looked at me like I had like 10 heads, and I was like, you're at a Taylor concert. We're trying to find Mary and Melissa, and this is not working.
I guess we'll find out if she knows me.
Eventually.
We have a front stage.
Yeah, so we have Pitt in MetLife, and we have front row in Nashville. We're like literal front row. So she's gonna see us there. So she may, who knows? But my arm is getting tired. We have to find our friends. And tonight was freaking amazing.
Yeah, we fly home tomorrow.
We fly home tomorrow, so stay tuned for the traveling home part of this vlog. So,
and then getting back and watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
And then going to work the next day and just being dead. So,
That's about it.
That's our night, and we're gonna go find our friends and go eat something.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Bye.
This morning.
Not a lot.
I'm hungover again.
Mary, how you doing this morning? I have no voice.
I have a voice.
It's like I have a hangover, but I didn't have an ounce of alcohol to drink.
This whole weekend.
All I've had is coffee. I haven't had one sip of alcohol.
We haven't eaten properly at all either. We haven't gotten sleep. We haven't gotten food. So
We had McDonald's at like what, 2 in the morning last night? We got Uber Eats at McDonald's because In-N-Out wasn't on there. I'm so mad we didn't get In-N-Out. Yeah.
Sorry, it's my roommate's birthday and I'm doing a birthday post.
It's also Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to my biological mother, Taylor Swift. I screamed that at her last night.
The most funniest stuff.
We screamed. Oh my god, the people around us, like, I was just screaming, like, I was like, fuck me! Kick me in the fucking face with those boots!
A sign on my face. Kick me in the face, please.
During when we're like Nashville and Pitt, I really want to scream, kick me in the fucking face. Because I feel like she would hear that. Oh, I kept screaming like, yes bitch, go bitch, yes bitch, slay!
Fuck me up, queen. It got almost really quiet when I said bitch.
Yes, I remember that, I
Turned around to me. I wouldn't be surprised if she heard it.
I remember that.
I was like, I promise I don't think she's an actual bitch. I just call her a bitch because I love her. They're playing Harry's house right now.
She's dying. They're playing her husband.
See him next month 2 nights in a row. So this may sound like this.
Just wait till MetLife 3 nights in a row. Oh my god. You sound like a squeaky toy.
Stop, you're crying. It's a sign of the time.
We're going home.
I'm very sad.
But we're gonna watch 50 Shades Free, so it's bye. Hi. How do you feel about going home? Yeah, but we get to see Taylor at home.
We get like 6 more.
Eliza.
And it's not.
How do we feel that we're home now?
We're not home.
We're not with their mother.
We're not
with their mother.
Guys, we're not with our mother. I want to go back to my mom. She's in California. Do you miss your mom? Our biological mother, Taylor Swift. Well, yeah, because that's our mom. No, she's saying it to her, because she's our mom.
She's saying it to our grandmother.
Our grandma Andrea? Yeah, grandma. She was also bopping to, what song was it? She was like,
Don't play me.
oh, it was Don't Blame Me?
So of course she was at church.
Yeah, we went to church on a Saturday night.
I do apologize, ladies and gentlemen. If you check the back today, it'll be available carousel number 4. Once again, that's carousel number 4. In-flight crew members.